जय गुरुदेव। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। We are starting Vastu Shastra basic course. First is the dedication, that is Samarpan. There is a story in the Upanishad that a traveler is going to the country of Gandhara. In a deserted area, robbers blindfold him and steal his bundle of belongings. After that, someone came, removed the blindfold, and gave back the bundle of belongings, and said, I have driven away those who have looted your wealth. This is the road to the country of Gandhara. Both take 2 steps together. Similarly, when I realized that my own ignorance, my own attachment blindfolded me and took away everything from me, then a great man came, Sadguru came. He removed the veil from my eyes and told me the goal of life. I begin by repeatedly prostrating myself at the holy feet of the most revered Sadguru Swami Paramanandji. Guru Vandana. We worship all the known and the unknown sages, siddhas, yogi, etc., who gave various guidelines and composed scriptures for the welfare of the mankind. We wholeheartedly salute all the Guru of the Guru tradition. In this Vastu Vidya Pathikram or Vastu Vidya course, we shall study Vastu Introduction, in which the text related with the Vastu Shastra will be described, definition of Vastu will be described, and the scope of the Vastu will be elaborated. In the second section, we shall try to see the characteristics of a Vastu Shastri. A person who is expert in Vastu is known as the Vastu Shastri or Isthapati. So, what are the different characteristics one should bear, a Vastu Shastri should bear according to the text, like Samrangan Sutradhara and Manushyale Chandrika? We shall try to see in this second part. In the third part, the basic principles of Vastu will be described. In the fourth section, we shall try to see the characteristics of land, properties of land, selection of land, testing of the soil, Mrada Parikshan. In the fifth unit, we shall see the Ayadi, that is the length, width and height according to Vastu. These Ayadi are the mathematical formula in which we shall try to see the auspicious length, width, height of plot, of built up, of room, of doors, window, etc. In the sixth section, we shall try to see the placement, the allocation of different rooms. In the seventh section or part, planning of each room will be described. And in the last section, that is the eighth section, we shall try to see the Vastu remedies, that is remedies through color, through shapes, with the help of different materials, elements, metals, gems, etc. So this course is divided into the 8 sections, and we shall see the Vastu right from the selection of the site to the first entry into the house. We shall also see the different procedure or Vastu remedies. So this is our syllabus, and we shall try to complete it in approximately 40 to 45 lectures. In the coming lectures or video, we shall first see the Mangalacharan or the prayer, importance of the prayer, importance of the Mangalacharan and prayer, and then we shall enter into the subject. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.